These are gonna be the most serious videos of all time. I'm just kidding. It's a YouTube challenge where we bring in different YouTubers in the bowling space and we're gonna challenge them to a 1-game match. Winner takes something, loser takes this L. Today we have a special guest. You may know him, you may love him, you may not love him. Give it up for Luis Naples.
Luis Naples.
Luis Naples?
Luis Naples.
Well, welcome to the channel.
Happy to be here.
Subscribe to his channel if you guys are interested in more bowling content. He made a sign, shameless plug. I respect it. But yeah, the more the bowling community grows, the more we all grow as YouTubers and the more information is out there for you guys. Today we're gonna beat his ass and he's gonna walk home. You know what? I actually have everything to lose here. He has nothing to lose.
Maybe we might bet some Pokemon cards.
I'm down.
Are we telling him what balls we're throwing?
Yeah, today, you can tell him.
The Phase 9, the Night Road.
That one comes out in 2029.
Look out 2025.
But yes, we are throwing the Night Road today. All right, bet. How about we bet? You can put up whatever Pokemon cards you want. And I know you were looking for lessons after Open Championship. So if you win, I'll hook you up with some lessons. I'll work with you. We'll try to get your ball a little more forward, get your swing a little freer.
Forward?
Forward.
I'm already forward.
Forward is how you bowl better on the harder stuff, which was Open Championships. And
yeah, that was a nightmare.
Your ball videos, you make the balls look insane because that axis rotation gets them to boom off it pretty good. We'll see.
All right.
If not, you might just have to pay me for lessons.
We'll see you on the lanes.
Welcome to this public service announcement. We have been pacing pretty good to give away bowling balls just like this in 2023 if we hit 100,000 subscribers by December 31st, 2022. But we've been slowing down in recent times. Jess and I have crunched the numbers and we won't get there. So we need you to hit the red button if you want us to get there and potentially win one of these 100 bowling balls we're giving away next year. Hit the like button and hit subscribe. Well. Challenger's choice, you can go first, you can go second, I don't care.
You go first.
I'm gonna go over. He wants the ball in hand, okay?
I just need to not leave any 10 pins.
It's a bad rack. Be nice. I told you the rack was bad. That's not a normal 7-10 hit. That's bad karma. He's fist pumping right now.
It's competition. I need lessons. I need lessons big time.
Unsub. How many balls do I get to use?
It's still there, Jesse. You can still see it. You would have picked that. All right.
Pity high five. That's sportsmanship.
Mine is laid out 30 by 4 by 70.
No VLS. No, we want VLS. No dual
Pin
angles.
down.
No. He just doesn't want it.
All that urethane.
All that urethane. I'm gonna blame the rack. He's gonna blame the urethane, although my hit was probably partially the urethane too. But
that rack don't matter.
That rack doesn't matter. When you don't hit the pocket, the rack doesn't matter as much. He's using a spare ball too. All right, I like the play. Going for the count.
My ball don't hook.
He's going for the count. Not the highest amount of count. All right, I'm warmed up now. Oh my goodness, they are so tight.
Did you hit that spot?
It was spot. It was a little left. Did you think yours was gonna hook?
I thought it would hook a little bit.
I caught mine a little bit more.
And it hooked this much. Gotcha.
Can you see that in slow-mo? You saw it try to hook and then it pushed a little further and then it hooked?
That was a lot of 2.
I mean, if you don't have the bowling eye, you probably didn't see it, but I moved like 7 right. I up hit that one too.
What's the move off your ball not hooking at all?
Yes.
Yes.
He didn't win yet. I'm not giving him any tips.
All right, let me just try to make a better shot here.
That was a good try.
I need a sub to shoot my 10 pins.
You picked up the 10 pin on the last shot.
When I was aiming at the wash shot.
Yeah, tip for you guys out there. I say this one a lot, and you guys think I'm a smart ass for saying it, but hit the one in the front every time. Gives you the best chance to succeed. Ah!
Oh my God, I made a spare. A 10 pin.
All right, what's the move? I'm gonna stand here now. Who said the Night Road doesn't hook? Because I definitely thought that was not gonna hook.
Yeah, who said that?
Night Road, plenty hook. Is it the best option for right now? Maybe not.
Maybe the nerves are gone now. Make a good shot here.
Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Is this gonna be an entertaining video? All right, should we end this now or end this now? This is where the axis rotation's not helping him very much. Oh, let's get a hook! You're lined up now.
I love bowling.
So what? Which Pokemon cards are you hooking me up with? Gosh, I could probably move another one, right? Oh, big left.
Well, that was fun.
Left toe, left toe, left toe. Has he given up already?
All right, we're gonna move right.
You're only down 20.
Through 3.
In his head.
I just can't get the ball to hook at all.
You can't miss left.
That wasn't left. I hit what I was looking at.
Oh, really? Maybe you should aim for the right then.
Aim for the right.
Yeah, that's where all the hook is.
Pro tip.
No, that's like China tip. Oh, this is perfect for you viewers at home that don't like urethane in League. This is exactly what's happening. Mr. Naples is going to show you what not to do, and I'm going to attempt to show you what might work. Oh, he hooked it! What a ballsy play.
This is rough. This is why you don't bowl against professionals.
There's got to be a way to make this more interesting. Maybe? Oh.
All right, Darren says move right, get the ball right.
Straighter angles.
Square up.
Straighter angles, roll it more. If you can't roll it more, throw a stronger ball. Oh, that's kind of left. I feel like this house shot's kind of hard. Everybody in the back? I'm just kidding, there's only like 2 people watching.
Who's having fun yet?
I'm giving him the beatdown of a lifetime, and I'm not even really having fun.
Hey, the ball hooked.
I told you, just throw it to the right. I make hook. I don't want to throw it to the right. Now that I put that in my head, it's probably going to go to the right.
That's a foul. No, it's not. It's a
I'm like 6 inches behind the line.
good shot. Oh,
How good are your eyes? Honor system? I don't want to have to fix the score. I'm just going to shoot the 2-pin. That would have bounced out for
I think
sure.
it would have bounced out and hit the 10.
Well, if you're going to give me that one, I'll take it. All right, you can bring it within 12.
I like the optimism.
I'm not going to lie, I thought I got that far enough right.
I know Darren's over there talking crap about me right now. There's one. We're on the board.
Did this just get interesting? All right, I'm making a play. Ooh, that's the wrong play.
The universe wills me to try to come close. Bounce!
The right infirmer was not the play.
All right, here's my chance, allegedly.
You can almost take the lead.
I can almost, yeah.
Oh, that's to the right. Just had to line him up.
The nerves are gone. I'm nervous bowling against Darren. Where's the 9-pin?
Guy's just asking for too much now. I already 210 and I 710. Don't throw the high RG balls with the urethane carry down.
I can't do that.
They're only getting stickier as the day goes on.
Hey, those of you who watch my channel know how much I hate sticky approaches. When you're big like me and you stick, you're in trouble.
Do we turn the gas on now?
All right, big shot here, guys, big shot. Unless Darren's just roping me in. Let's make a good one here.
Oh, we got there late. Oh, what a break.
Home
What
court
a break.
advantage on that one. All right, we're gonna hook at this because I can't shoot my spare straight.
You hooked it?
I hook at everything.
Throw them straight, kids. Adults, you're old enough to make your own decisions. Oh my goodness, it looks like it wants to hook and then it just doesn't. It's like,
All right, well, if we got any shot, we got a strike here. Darren's gonna have to not strike in the 10. All right.
and that, folks, is the difference between axis rotation and forward ball roll.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Subscribe to Mr. Naples.